Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your devices are paired and connected. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or cellular are active. Once done, open the App Store on your iPhone or the App Store on the watch if available. Type Calculator in the search field and pick the app that fits Apple's built-in app or a third-party option like pCalc. You're choosing now because the next step installs and configures the app on the watch itself. You'll install the app from the store. Tap Install on the iPhone or get on the watch and authenticate with your Apple ID. Once downloaded, open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to My Watch to confirm the app shows under Installed on Apple Watch. Toggle it on if needed. Make sure you grant required permissions like haptics or sounds, and optionally enable a watch face complication so the calculator is one tap away. This sync, open the calculator on your watch or use the complication you added to launch it instantly. You'll see basic arithmetic, and some apps offer modes like scientific or tip calculation. Set precision and units in the app settings. Once configured, practice one or two calculations to confirm responsiveness and haptics. If the calculator isn't showing, restart your Apple Watch, confirm the app is installed under My Watch, then reinstall or update the app. That usually resolves sync or visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.